Hey guys, this is Nabiha, and today I'm going to be going through the week 3 homework assignment. So, as always, the first thing we're going to do is import our turtle, and then we're going to make a turtle object to run our functions on. So, I'm going to call my turtle a hexagon today because we'll be drawing a hexagon. And just as a reminder, we'll be using Trinket from now on because people were having issues with replets, so hopefully you've been able to adjust to that. The next thing I'm going to do is set my line color. So I'm going to call my turtle and use the color function. And today I'm feeling pink. As a reminder, color takes a string data type, so make sure you use those quotation marks. And I did not spell hexagon correctly. All right. So now we're going to draw our hexagon, and we're going to do this using a for loop just to make this go faster. But before we do that, just as a reminder and for future reference, if you want to draw a shape and you don't know which angle to use, what you can do is take 360 and then divide it by the number of sides. So last week, our assignment was to draw a triangle. So we did 360 divided by 3 for an angle of 120 degrees. Today we're doing a hexagon, which has 6 sides. So 360 divided by 6 equals 60. So that's the angle we're going to be using. So just to draw our basic line, what we need to do is go forward by whatever length we want to go. So I think I'm going to go a length of 100 forward, and then we're going to turn by the angle that we just found, which we found to be 60 degrees for a hexagon. So this is our basic line. And let me run this right now, and we see that we have a line. Because we're doing a hexagon, we need 6 of these. So now what I could do is I could just write this 6 times, and that would get us a hexagon just fine. But we want to be efficient, and we want to save time, so we're going to use a for loop. So in order to use a for loop, we're going to call for I in, and then the range function. And since this hexagon has 6 sides, we want to iterate this 6 times. So we're going to do 6 and then a colon. So this is our for loop. And in order to put this action of drawing the line inside the for loop, we're going to indent it. That's something important in Python. The spacing does matter. So this tells Python that we have this action of moving forward and this action of turning right inside this for loop. And what this will do is it'll go 6 times. And that's what we want for us to make our hexagon. So let's see how this looks. And there you go. It goes 6 times. And if I were to change this to like 3, we'd only have half of it. But basically what this code is doing is it's taking what's inside the for loop and it's running it this amount of times, which is 6. So that's how you do this week's homework assignment.